Chapter 1 Roman Numerals. In our previous class, we have already studied that the Romans use 7 symbols, that is I, V, X, L, C, D and M to write any number. Look at this table. Here we have compared the Roman numerals with that of the symbols used in Hindu-Arabic value, where symbol I used by the Romans is equal to number 1 in the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Symbol V is equal to numeral 5. Symbol X is equal to numeral 10. Symbol L is equal to numeral 50. Symbol C is equal to numeral 100. Symbol D is equal to numeral 500 and symbol M is equal to numeral 1000. There is no zero in the Roman system. An important difference between the decimal system and the Roman system is that the Roman system does not use place value. Even though Roman numbers are not widely used here, we use them in clocks and classroom numbers in schools. Let us now see the important rules for writing the Roman numerals. Rule 1. Symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated to represent the numbers. Symbols I, X and C cannot be repeated for more than 3 times. Symbols V, L, D cannot be repeated for more than once. To understand this better, let us see some examples. To denote Hindu-Arabic number 3, the Roman number I is used thrice, like this. I, which is also equal to 3. To denote Hindu-Arabic number 30, the Roman number X is used thrice. X. To denote Hindu-Arabic number 300, the Roman number C is used thrice. C. Rule 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of a numeral of greater value is always added to the greater numeral. For example, symbol VI is written as 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. Symbol XV is written as 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. Symbol LX is written as 50 plus 10, which is equal to 60. Symbol CX is written as 100 plus 10, which is equal to 110. Rule 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of greater value is always subtracted from the greater numeral. For example, I written to the left of V is 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. X written to the left of L is 50 minus 10, which is equal to 40. X written to the left of C is 100 minus 10, which is equal to 90. Rule 4. When a smaller number is placed between two numerals of greater value, it is always subtracted from the greater numeral immediately following it. Example: XIV equals to 10 plus 5 minus 1, which is equal to 14. Here, I written to the left of V is subtracted from V. X equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1, which is equal to 29. Here, I written to the left of X is subtracted from X. CX X, I, V equals to 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1 equals to 124. Here I written to the left of V is subtracted from V. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X. The symbol X can be subtracted from L and C. The symbol C can be subtracted from D and M. Symbols V, L, D are never subtracted. Numerals up to 100 can be written with the help of 5 symbols I, V, X, L and C.